flow batteries are one of the most promising energy storage systems. By dissolving active materials in water and using pumps, flow batteries enable the circulation of electrolytes between storage tanks and cell stack, achieving efficient and safe energy storage. Using cheap sulfur as active materials, we have developed a new generation sulfur-based flow battery with high energy density and inherent non-flammable. Addition of small molecular catalysts enhanced the power density of the battery. We independently developed a charge-enhanced memory and achieved mass production, effectively solving the issue of active materials shuttling in sulfur-based flow battery. By modifying the memory, we have successfully extended the battery lifespan to over 15 years. Our self-developed battery management system and cell stack achieves remote monitoring and maximizes the battery efficiency. Through parallel and series configuration of the cell stack system, we achieved the first-grade connection of sulfur-based flow batteries in EV charging station of Tonggas Smart Energy project in Shenzhen, Shenzhen, effectively reducing electricity cost. Further application situations are user-side, data center, and generation-side energy storage. LEAPLUG, plug green energy to the world.